So I'll be dropping some video guide on how to use DeepSeek to answer to your questions. You understand? Load more Australia. So don't forget, it's Australia. It's not US, and it's very soft. So let's see. This is AI because I don't know this questions or what. Okay, it's with my AI. I'm good to go. I just want to eat this $3. Oh, see, it's not easy, we know, but you guys can do it. Those that are scared, you better come and enjoy other country. No, so say no, no. So I'll drop some video guides for you. Do you, do you use a language other than English at home? No. Do you use a language? Yes, but since English is my preferred language, you can say it wherever it's there, so you can just check for your AI to help you to confirm it, so you can see. So let's see. All right. So no, good. So because of what English is what speaking household in your city, with no mention of any other language. So that's just it. Some survey question in education. They just want to ask, what's the high level of what is the highest year of primary or secondary you have completed? So you can just copy it if you don't know what you get, based on we're using AI to answer this, and just the last one we deal with ChatGTP. So this time we are dealing with DeepSeek, and DeepSeek not. I just discovered it has no limitation. It's continuous, unlimited. And guess what? I've used it. I use it to respond to questions, a lot of questions. Certificate of what? Postgraduate. This. And you don't need to use AI in some questions. Yeah, full time. You can use AI to still give you within the password. Do you do any paid work in a job? And just give AI that. So you see how I'll be dropping this video. Those that don't know how to use AI, you should know that yes, you get used to AI very soon. You understand? You should get used to AI. Make AI a friend. Well, you should be cashing out more than $100 in a week, like I said. Learn to cash out $100 in a week. Per week. What is the average personal weekly income before tax, include pension allowance or whatever? So this could be from 2000. Let's see, from 2000. It's okay. Not bad. So include yourself. How many people age 18 years and over live in your house? I think it's two. It's two, just you and your wife. You understand? So, but let's use AI so that you should know what you have already programmed. You've already programmed your device. You understand? So it's two, like I said. So you just come here and put in two. So this video will be drop. So there's no problem. Don't worry yourself. How often do you respond by writing from much over the internet? Several times, more than once. Comment more than once. Reader more than once. So this one you can use AI. There's no need for you to use AI. What did they say here? In about 12 months, I would like to invite you to complete a second survey on your experience with online betting and national framework consumer protection. Even if you no longer bet online, if you agree, invite you to second space through email by invite. You see, I've been sent. Will invite you. Wow. So they want to invite me. Thank you for participating in phase of the national consumer protection framework for online wages. We appreciate you being said to English. Whatever. I don't tire. So they say they're going to invite me. So I don't know if they'll invite this. You understand? I don't know if they're going to invite. But I'm already submitting. So if they invite me in the second space, I'll glad. I'll really appreciate. I don't want this to be in Germany. I want the English. So this is how we go about it. Wow, can you see? So I just started but look, it's not up to like an hour. I've made 5.60 $5.56 and Australia pounds. So I can decide to move to $10 today. You understand? Before I sleep, but it's already night. I want to sleep. Oh, I have a bonus. I haven't have a bonus. Wow. Review app. Wow, that's good. I have a bonus. One bonus active. Wow, that's great. They want me to review their app. Wow, that's great. So awesome. That's great.